Happy New Year to everyone here in 2025. And today, I'm here to grant someone's Christmas wish from last year. So, congratulations to the person on screen who was the only person who cared enough to comment on my previous community post. Let's begin. Unity, Unreal Engine, Source, Game Maker. These are what's known as game engines. They are used every day by developers in order to make all kinds of games, like Team Fortress 2, Beat Saber, Cuphead, and even Fortnite. Here's how it works. Think of it like this. You want to make a tall building, and that building is your finished game. Game engines essentially give you all of the tools needed to build your structure. Not only that, most game engines nowadays come with a rendering engine, which is generating an image from 3D models. Or in other words, it's like adding some decorations to your tall building. Here's another example. Think of it like HTML and CSS. HTML is the bare bones of what makes a website, so HTML could be looked at as a game engine. And for CSS, it adds decorations to the website that ordinary HTML couldn't apply on its own. So in that case, CSS could be looked at as a rendering engine. Now, of course, talk is cheap, which means if you want to start making games, you'll have to start from scratch. Literally. Block coding is one of the easiest ways to make games. All the code is pre-programmed, so it'll allow you to get used to game engines. Obviously, games that are easy to create aren't going to look good, but as you progress to more advanced game engines like Unreal Engine and Unity, you get to make hyper-realistic games that almost look real. Now, I'm no programming expert. I'm just a below-average IQ YouTuber that explains things in more simpler ways in order for everyone to get a solid background of topics such as what I'm discussing right now. So don't think of this video as a tutorial. If you really want to start learning, you can look for hundreds of tutorials on YouTube online, which provide the most information and help clarify most, if not all, confusion regarding programming games. Even if you might not be motivated to go through the journey of programming games, Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't have to go through everything now. Just take things slow. Learn everything step by step, and once you finish your first step, I can assure you that every other step will be easier. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like these types of content, please subscribe. I don't post often, but whenever I do, I'll make sure it's worth your while. Anyway, I'll take my leave now. Goodbye.